Welcome guys, today we are going to teach you how to do slime. And then we got the things that we need to do the slime is glue, food color, baking soda, and some Orbeez.
No, beet.
Yeah, beet. And some decorations and ice solution. Okay, let's get started now. First, you have to put the glue.
Finish.
Yeah, put all the glue that you have. You can put all in. Okay, next we're going to put color, the food color. I'm going to go with the blue one.
I'll be the pink one.
Okay. And then take a small spoon. Put the color on the spoon and then put it into your glue mold. Okay, and then put the color. Wait, before we start, leave a like and subscribe now. Okay, let's start stirring.
我的是红诶。We my ready red。
我的太黑。
你的太黑，你的蓝。我的粉红太红了。
Okay, as you stir finish, then you can put your sprinkles thing. I'm going to go with this.
I'll go with
Oh my gosh. You have to use what you're used to. Okay, let's put in. Okay. And close this. Okay, now we have to stir it.
I'm not yet done.
Wait, you have to stir it by your own self. I'm not here. Then
Wow.
you can do another kind of thing.
Oh, I got the box. Here, I need to use this. Oh, 用完了。
Okay, done. After you're done, you can put the
Soda.
baking soda. Okay, let my sister put it. But first thing, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Eden Jong, and she is my sister Elaine Jong. Okay, now keep going on with the
Soda.
channel.
Well,
You have to stir it until you cannot see the soda. Okay, up next, we're going to use the ice solution. Okay, let me pour it.
Brother, help me.
Okay,
Just back.
and then stir it. I don't know
Wow.
how to stir it until it's off of the plate, and then it's heaven. In 1 minute, you have to pour it again. Okay.
Brother, you see my red? It's so shiny.
Yeah. Okay, now for the next turn.
blue one.
Okay, keep stirring. What is this blue?
Yeah. You see me one? Brother, you see me one?
Ooh, purple color. 刚刚好是 blue.
Purple color.
Okay, until now is the third turn.
Okay.
Oh my god, look, it's here. Oh my god. We are almost ready. As you can see, the slime is coming off the plate, and then when it's ready, you can take it. You can smoosh it out the plate, and then when it's out of the plate, you can smoosh it with your own hand. Smoosh already, then smoosh until it can stick your hand.
Oh,
Okay.
it's so heavy. So heavy. 我要弄出来啊！我手啊！手有点。
Okay. Now you will ask why there is a straw. Because we use the straw to play. See? You can see that.
Wow, you see me.
Okay, that's all for today. And be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment to let us know what we're going to do next. A gaming channel? A horror game in real life? You don't know. It's up to your choice, young friends. So, and stay healthy and cool. Peace out.
Bye bye, children.
Next, I don't know how to mix. Oh, la. Shalala. Here is the middle color. Here. Look at that purple. Don't let that. Oh my god, look. Oh! You see how they got blue, purple, and